Okay, so you want to change the machining head, you do the setting first, the setting. Okay, down currently use the 1.160 wire diameter 1.160 MB20. So if you want to change down here, you cannot change first. You need to go to plus code first. Plus code 0 0 0 0. Or you can change already. So you want to change the wire name, you want to use 1.125, you can change the 1.125 here. Okay, 0.125, wire diameter 125. You want to use MB20, just leave it. You want to use MB60, change here MB60. MB60. So you go here, you come back here. Everything all set already. 0.125 MB60. So if you don't want to use with MB60, you want to change MB20, then change again MB20. So 0.125 wire MB20. Over here, all set already. 125 wire with MB20. So you want to change back to the 160. Let's press this card. Wire name. 160 already MB20. So now 160 MB20. So you want to use 160 MB60, just put here. So this is wire side 160, machine here MB60. Okay, now everything set ready. So now is you using MB20, so we change back MB20. MB20, wire side is 1.160. So that's it. All the tension, all the alarm, up to you. You want to set how many? It's not up to your operation. Okay, this is setting. So just not